Hi everyone, my name is Leverick and I welcome you to the third part of my Rubik's Cube tutorial. In this part we are gonna solve the corners this time. Okay, let's begin. So as you should know, the cross should be upside down for solving the corners. Let's start with the first one, the orange, blue and white one. For this one, there are two ways to solve it. One, you can do it with 4 moves, and another one with 3. So I'm gonna show you the one that is 4 moves. So we must have the white layer in front of us, and we do it this. So first we hide like this. We open the door, we put the corner where it was, and now we go back again. Okay, in this case it's U prime, L prime, U, L. Okay, and the one that is 3 moves, so we must have the white layer on this side. So it could be also in this side, but we are gonna do it on this side better. And we do this. Right, so R, U, R prime. Okay. In this case, we are gonna do the one that is only 3 moves. Right on, up on, right off. Okay, now we do it on this cube. So I do it on this cube that you have. Right on, up on, right off. Okay, next one. Well, it's a really easy one. In this case, yes, let's do this one. So as we did it again, we put it on this side, and we do this. Left off, up on, up off, excuse me, and left on. We do it. I do it now in this key that you have. Left off, up off, left on. Okay, next one that is here. So firstly, what we're gonna do is we have to be on the right place to insert it. So in this case, it's green red. This is not green red. This is blue red. So we must find. So we must turn the. So we must move the top layer until we see that we are in the right place. So or in the right place. So like this. Okay, now we rotate the cube y prime. This is not the right place, so we keep going. So we can keep moving the top layer. This is still not white red. This is not green and red, and excuse me, this is green and orange. So we keep moving the top layer until we find green and red. Okay, now we find it. It's there. So in this case, we are gonna insert it like this. So first we hide it. We open the door. We put it back again. And now we go back again. It's off. So I do it now in this key that you have. So as we did before. Okay. We hide. So up, off, right, on. Excuse me. It was up, on, right, on, up, off, right, off. Okay. Now the last one that is here. So we must find the right place that is in this case orange and green. So again, we move the top layer until we find the right place. So we can see it by the centers. This is not orange and green, so we keep going. It's not orange and red, so we keep moving the top layer and we rotate it like this. Okay, this is now green and orange. So as we did before, we up, on, right, on, up, off, right, off. Now we are doing this key that you have. So as we did before. And we inserted it here, as we did before. Okay, now I'm gonna show you a case where what happens if the white layers are on the top. Okay, if you have this case, well, what you're gonna do is just this. So right on, the double up, right off. Then we have it on this side, not in the top layer anymore. And we just insert it like this. Up, off, right, on, up, on, right, off. Okay. It's also for the left side. So I'm like this. Left, off, double up, left, on. Now we inserted it like this. So up, up, on, left, off, up, on, left, on. Okay, everyone, that was all to show for the corners. I hope you learned something new. If you are new, and see you in the next part, which will be the edges this time. So see you next time.